Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX nickel market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 970. We expected nickel to stay in selling, maintaining 982 as resistance, 983 or 84 as stop loss. Right after the opening, the price came down a bit and straight away went and triggered the stop. And after that, the price took the constant resistance around 986 and it came in close near 978. The issue was we thought we went for selling till the if we consider the day before previous day's price action, considering 982 the next resistance, but the price maintained the third resistance as the zone for yesterday's trading session. But still, today you can expect the price to open somewhere near 964. So today you are expecting a lower opening, which is going to be near the yesterday's low. So it indicates that the momentum is still on the selling side. That's the reason we want to sell on tops of the resistance, but we missed the resistance zone. So you can expect the price to come down, and the maximum 952 you can expect the price to come down till 952, but initially 956. So various support levels were marked as possible targets. So what will be the stop loss level? Till we want to maintain the 982 and 983 or 84 as SL. If you are a conservative trader, you need to increase the stop, and the intermediate zone is 972. So if you want to have a very strict stop loss, you can sell till 972 by placing stop loss near 974, but that will not be sufficient. So let's see how the market is going to move. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.